Hey guys, this is Review Destination and I am Kshitij, and today we are going to do unboxing of this JBL C200 SI wired earphones. So the price quoted on the box is 1500, but I got it for 999. So yeah. So let's do the unboxing. Let's get the seal over here. Okay, so there's one more seal over here. Yeah. So this is the gunmetal color, and this is sort of some entry level earphones. This has a 3.5mm headphone jack. So as you can see, it has four different ear tips for different ear sizes, and here is some paperwork. It says Harman, and there's a lot of paperwork over here. This will also says JBL by Harman. I think this is the warranty information and all. So yeah, let's keep this to the side. I think this is just a plastic case. This is the earphones itself. Very nicely packed. So the headphone jack is gold plated, so that's really good. It has the JBL branding. Let's remove this wire. Yeah, and initial impressions, the earphone seems really high quality. As you can see, this has a inline microphone also for taking and ending calls. As you can see over here, it has microphones also, and this is the gunmetal color, and the initial impressions look like really good. Feels really premium. So I'll come with the full review of this earphones very soon, and in the review I'll tell you how is the sound quality and how is the build quality overall and how is the bass like. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and this is Kshitij signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.